Yo YouTube, what's going on? Today we're talking about how to get premium in Hinge absolutely for free. As you can see, I discovered this method and its work in 2023 because I get this application Unlocker++. It's like the modded version of Hinge who allowed you to get Hinge Premium absolutely for free. All you need to do, we must enter our email address, phone number, username, login of account where we want to get premium. Now press generate. Now as you can see, everything is generated. After finish, our account will be get premium absolutely for free, and yeah, boom, it's like the modded cracked version. It's awesome. So how to get Unlocker++ for your device? I show you. I download from this website. So open browser, go to Zeno app, press the Unlocker++, press button install. Now very important thing, way to finish this process, the last step is human verification. For all instruction after confirm every step from this easy and free verification. Unlocker++ will be installed in your device, and after enter your email address you will be get premium absolutely for free. Is awesome and working in 2023. Thank you for watching.